choke you out too bad, did I?
Nah, man. Nah, dude, nothing at all.
You get high on that gas.
Oh.
Hey, I'm Jim Martin. This is my 1971 Datsun 240Z. I bought it. It looked nothing like this. It was fully primered, had holes all in it. This is the original factory color, so I wanted to take it back to its heyday back in 1971. But it's got 73,000 original miles on it that I know of. It's been a 5-year project. So when I got it, it was parked under a shed and looked absolutely horrible. Interior was just rat-eaten. I just wanted to bring it back to life. Definitely went way over budget, but it's been a great car and super fun to drive. It is original L26 6-cylinder 4-speed and numbers match an engine, so it's a good ride. It's a little nerve-wracking to drive these days with traffic, but I wouldn't trade it. Yeah, so you're not going to be able to see much in here. It does have a dome light, but it's like super dark in there. But everything is factory original except the seat covers and the carpet, of course. But everything works on it. I got the clock working. I've got the radio working, power antenna. They're about $1,200 if you can find one.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, so parts can be expensive. Thank goodness I had a good source.
Local, or you had to travel outside of town? Or?
No, I had a guy up in Wisconsin that collects Z's, and he has tons of parts. So he was able to get me everything. Again, it took 5 years, start to finish, but I just finished it basically about a month ago.
Yeah, so pretty fresh.
Yeah, paint job is about a year old.
Is it the original paint coat?
That is the, yes, new slight orange, number 914 is what they call that. And that is the original factory color, and black interior is original color. This car, brand new in 1971, cost only about $2,900. Yeah. Back in 1971, yeah. But you have to keep in mind, back then, people were probably only making about $8,000 a year, so things kind of level out.
These are rare,
yeah.
To see them in this condition.
Yeah, they've all been hot rodded and abused, and they're rust buckets. They do rust very easy, but we got all the rust off of this one, so shouldn't be any issues.
These are the original wheels, right?
Yeah, it's even got the original spare tire in the trunk.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you mind if you see the engine?
Oh, sure. I love the way these hoods open backwards. Kind of James Bondish, But yeah, that's a factory original engine.
I never understood what this, that red...
That's the air filter.
Oh, is it?
Yep. And check this work light out. It's got a little work light here. And this actually comes out, and it's got a cord so you could actually...
Wow, really?
Yeah. I've never taken it out. Yeah, it unscrews like so, and it comes out. But I don't know if I'll get it back in there.
Modern cars, they don't even come with something like that.
Yeah, and the engine's easy to work on. I mean, you could access it pretty easy. And there's the paint code sticker. That's where they had the paint code number 914 on it. As close to original color as I could get.
Did you source this, or it kind of came with the car already?
No, thank goodness it was already in the car. And when I bought it, of course, it wasn't running, and that was a fun project because you got dual carburetors, and there's not many mechanics that are still around that know how to work on these things. And you got little door sills here. I don't know if you've seen these, but you can lift it over on that side, and you got your washer fluid in there, brake fluid. This is actually the second year. The Z's have only been coming in as early as 1970, and this is a March 1971, so it's an early model.
I like how you only have one side mirror.
Yeah, I kind of hate that, actually. Backing up is kind of scary.
Yeah, but that's how it was originally, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Just one mirror and one radio speaker. So, yeah.
Really, one speaker?
One speaker in the back, that's it. Yeah, it's behind one of those panels. But yeah, the radio, antenna, everything, clock, everything works.
The exhaust, it's like 2.25 inch, or is it 2.5 inch?
That's a good question, but that is the original factory style muffler. There's a company in Germany that made that. They're about $600 just for the muffler. Again, I don't want to put a Midas muffler on it. I wanted it to look just like original, including the license plates and the dealership tag. That's not original, but I wanted to make it look as close to original. Check this out, little gas. Does yours have that?
No, but I want to have that.
Yeah.
I could buy it. I just haven't gotten around to it.
Yeah, so you got your gas cap with the chain.
Mine doesn't do that.
Yeah. So anyway, they thought of everything. I mean, they really did. And you just fold that back up and close it.
And what is this for again? I've seen these before, but I kind of forgot what it is.
Nissan, it's okay. I guess, that's just them saying that Japanese inspected. I'm not sure.
Yeah,
but that's what I would take. Yeah. That would have been on the car too.
All right, Jim. Thank you so much.
Oh, man. It's been a pleasure, Daniel. I've enjoyed this. Thank you.
Go ahead and take some nice, good photos.
Yeah. Sounds great, man.